Hey creators, today I am showing you the full AutoCAD install on Windows. This is everything you need to get the editor running. By the end, you will be ready to design like a pro without extra steps. Open your browser, go to our website, click the AutoCAD download link, save the deployment file to your computer, then run it. The automated setup wizard appears immediately and starts preparing the install for you today. The wizard takes care of everything automatically. It unpacks the application core, brings down the libraries, sets up the components, the progress bar fills up smoothly. You just sit back while the system does the heavy lifting today. We launch AutoCAD for the first time. The main editor window appears clean. The canvas sits in the center. Every side panel and the command line load up and respond properly. Everything is ready to use right away. The install is calibrated, verified, and clean. Head over to our website to grab the full AutoCAD package. Start your first design today. Drop a comment with what you make. Catch you next time, everyone out there.